Hi, I'm Nancy Ganzikoffer, business coach to interior designers and other creative entrepreneurs. So many of my clients don't have a good connection with what their strengths are. Where do they really excel when it comes to business growth? Not just being creative and having all those amazing talents that so many people don't have, but what specifically are their strengths when it comes to growing their business? Is it their personality that they need to put out there more? Is it their writing skills? Is it their organization and their processes within their company? What do you want to show to your potential client and to your clients that make you look more professional? And when you look at those strengths and really list them out, you want to go, okay, how can I enhance this even more? How can I show this even more to my client so that they want to work with me over and over again and they want to refer other people to me? So I'd love you all to make a list of your strengths that you can then enhance in order to run your business even more efficiently and attract more of your clients. So if you need help with this, I have a group called Actionable Entrepreneurs on Facebook where we give tips every day. We exchange information. I ask questions, and it helps you really get in touch with who you are as a business owner in order to be running more effectively, attracting your ideal client, and of course, making more money. So I hope to see you there.